to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 must-have beginner gardening tools. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. When starting your gardening journey, the array of tools available can be overwhelming. Here's a breakdown of my top 10 gardening tool choices that is sure to make your tasks more manageable and efficient. Number 1. Gardening gloves. Gloves are a gardener's first line of defense against various hazards. They protect hands from cuts, scratches, and punctures caused by thorns, sharp objects, or abrasive surfaces. Additionally, gloves act as a barrier against harmful chemicals present in fertilizers, pesticides, and other garden products, preventing skin irritation or absorption. For that, we recommend the Blue Ridge Tools multi-purpose work gloves. These work gloves offer tough, breathable protection with reinforced padding and a secure wrist seal, giving you control and comfort for any gardening-related task. For some tips, choose gloves made of durable materials like leather or synthetic blends for better protection. Regularly inspect gloves for wear and tear, replacing them when necessary to maintain effectiveness. Consider wearing gloves with reinforced palms and fingertips for added protection during heavy-duty tasks. Number 2. The Spade. A spade is specifically designed for digging, offering a more efficient alternative to traditional shovels. Its sharp, flat blade cuts through soil with ease, reducing the effort required for digging tasks. By minimizing resistance, spades help prevent strain on the arms and back, making digging less physically demanding. That being said, we recommend the Structron Drain Spade. This spade features a 5.5-inch blade with a 48-inch durable yellow fiberglass handle and a comfortable cushion grip for efficient digging. For some tips, keep the spade blade sharp to ensure smooth cutting through soil, reducing strain on muscles. Choose a spade with a comfortable handle grip to minimize hand fatigue during prolonged use. Use the footrest or treaded area at the top of the spade blade for added leverage when digging into compacted soil. For our third tool, we have the trowel. Trowels are precision tools used for delicate tasks such as transplanting seedlings, dividing plants, or cultivating small areas. Their narrow, scoop-shaped blade allows gardeners to work with precision, minimizing disturbance to surrounding plants and soil. By gently loosening soil and carefully extracting plants, trowels help ensure the successful transplantation of vegetation while preserving root integrity. For 3-in-1 convenience, we recommend the Fiskars 3-piece garden tool set. This yard care tool set includes a trowel, cultivator, and transplanter made with lightweight, durable Duraframe construction. Ideal for small plants, each tool has features for easy use. For some tips, opt for a trowel with depth markings to ensure consistent planting depths for seedlings. Clean and sterilize the trowel blade after each use to prevent the spread of diseases between plants. Use the trowel's pointed tip for precise digging in compact soil or tight spaces, minimizing root disturbance. Number 4. We have pruning shears. Pruning shears, also known as hand pruners or secateurs, are essential for maintaining plant health and appearance. These tools are designed to trim dead or overgrown branches, promote airflow, and shape plants for optimal growth. By removing diseased or damaged tissue, pruning shears help prevent the spread of pathogens and encourage the development of new growth. Our team recommends the Blue Ridge 3/4 of an inch pruning shears. It features precision ground, hardened steel blades that stay sharp for clean cuts, plus a non-stick coating for smooth, rust-resistant performance. For some tips, clean and oil pruning shear blades regularly to ensure smooth cutting and prevent rust buildup. Sterilize pruning shears with rubbing alcohol before and after each use, especially when pruning diseased plants, to prevent cross-contamination. Practice proper pruning techniques, such as cutting at a slight angle above a node, to promote healthy regrowth and minimize damage to the plant. Fifth on our list is the rake. Rakes serve multiple purposes in the garden, from leveling soil to gathering debris and distributing mulch. Their sturdy tines are effective for loosening compacted soil, removing weeds, and smoothing planting beds. Rakes are particularly useful for preparing the soil for seeding or transplanting, ensuring an even surface and proper seed-to-soil contact. Additionally, rakes facilitate efficient debris removal, helping to keep the garden clean and free of organic matter that can harbor pests and diseases. That being said, we recommend the Sunjo rake. Its added handle reduces strain, while 16 steel tines tackle tough debris, allowing you to work longer with less effort. For some tips, choose a rake with flexible yet durable tines for effective debris removal without damaging plants or soil. Use a light touch when raking to avoid disturbing seeds or young plants in the soil. After raking, compost collected debris to recycle organic matter back into the garden, promoting soil health. For number 6, we have the gardening hoe. Hoes are versatile tools used for soil cultivation, weed control, and seed bed preparation. Their sharp blade or prongs make quick work of breaking up soil, chopping weeds, and creating furrows for planting. By loosening compacted soil and disrupting weed growth, hoes promote healthy root development and improve water and nutrient uptake by plants. This enhances soil aeration, drainage, and fertility, creating favorable conditions for robust plant growth and productivity. For the best results, we recommend the Blue Ridge 2-in-1 hand garden hoe cultivator combo. It combines 2 essential tools in one, making tilling and shaping easier and more cost-effective. With a lightweight, ergonomic design, it's built for effortless soil work that lasts. For some tips, sharpen the hoe blade regularly to maintain its cutting effectiveness and reduce the effort required for soil cultivation. Use the hoe's sharp edge to slice weeds just below the soil surface, preventing their regrowth. Angle the hoe blade slightly downward when cultivating soil to break up compacted layers and improve water penetration. Number 7. The fork. Garden forks, also known as digging forks or spading forks, are essential for aerating soil, lifting and turning compost, and loosening compacted earth. Their sturdy, tapered tines penetrate soil easily, breaking up clumps and improving soil structure. By loosening soil compaction, garden forks enhance root penetration, water infiltration, and nutrient distribution, fostering healthier and more resilient plants. Our team recommends the 4-tine forged floral spading fork. Part of the Ames floral tool line, this fork is perfectly sized for gardening tasks like loosening, lifting, and turning soil. Its durable North American hardwood handle and poly D-grip provide strength, comfort, and added leverage for easier soil work. For some tips, choose a fork with sturdy, rust-resistant tines to withstand heavy-duty use and outdoor conditions. Use the fork in a rocking motion to penetrate compacted soil layers more effectively. Avoid overloading the fork with heavy materials to prevent bending or breaking of tines. For our 8th entry, we have the watering can. Proper watering is critical for plant health and growth, and a watering can is able to provide precise control over watering practices. This tool allows gardeners to tailor watering to the specific needs of each plant. Additionally, a watering can facilitate efficient water distribution, reducing water waste and promoting conservation in the garden. For our recommendation, we have the 1-liter accented metal watering can in brass finish from Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. It offers a stylish and practical way to water plants. Its leak-proof design, long curved spout, and rounded handle make for easy, precise watering, while the brass finish brings a classic touch to your garden space. For some tips, look for a watering can with a generous capacity to minimize refills, especially for larger gardens. Opt for designs with a well-engineered spout to ensure efficient water distribution, saving both time and water resources. Prioritize durability by choosing watering cans crafted from robust materials like galvanized steel or sturdy plastics. Seek out versatile designs that offer adjustable spouts or interchangeable nozzles to tailor water flow for different plants or watering tasks. Number 9, we have the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrows are indispensable for transporting heavy or bulky materials such as soil, mulch, compost, plants, or garden tools. Their sturdy construction and single-wheel design make it easy to maneuver loads over various terrains, reducing strain on the body and minimizing the risk of injury. That being said, we recommend the dual-wheel home wheelbarrow. This multi-purpose garden cart makes hauling gravel, mulch, and more effortless with its 330 pounds capacity, durable plastic bin, and heavy-duty powder-coated metal frame. Equipped with ergonomic rubber grip handles and 14-inch all-terrain wheels, it's easy to push, pull, and tilt across your yard, then store upright in the garage. For some tips, inflate the wheelbarrow tire to the recommended pressure for smoother handling and easier maneuverability. When loading the wheelbarrow, distribute the weight evenly to prevent tipping or imbalance during transport. Consider using a wheelbarrow with ergonomic handles for better grip and control, reducing strain on the wrists and arms. Finally, we have the garden hose with an adjustable nozzle. A garden hose equipped with an adjustable nozzle offers versatility in watering techniques. By adjusting the nozzle settings, gardeners can deliver a gentle mist for delicate seedlings, a steady stream for established plants, or a powerful jet for cleaning tasks. For that, we have the Coat-Toe Expandable Garden Water Hose. This 100-foot expandable garden hose features durable 3,300D polyester fabric with a latex core to resist kinks and leaks, solid brass fittings, and universal connectors for compatibility with any faucet. Lightweight and portable, it includes an ergonomic spray grip, on and off valves, and comes with a hose holder, 10 nozzle sprayer interchangeable heads, and a travel bag for easy storage. For some tips, inspect the hose regularly for leaks or damage, repairing or replacing any worn parts to prevent water waste. Store the hose properly when not in use, coiling it neatly and avoiding kinks to prolong its lifespan. Use a nozzle with multiple spray patterns to accommodate different watering needs throughout the garden, from gentle watering to high-pressure cleaning. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 10 must-have beginner gardening tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!